Ha? Sundoan lang. Wala ang video.
Sige, kasama mo na ba?
Go.
Go. To Aaron. 9 minutes and 20. To Miel. Miel? Making move? Wala. Rebound by Dais. Dais. Kanya pa rin, lumipad. Wala. Rebound by Jacqueline. Intercepted yan. Nakuha pa rin ni Miel. Miel pa rin. Miel. 2 points. Oh, ano yun? Ano nangyari? 3-2 in favor of Team D. Thank you. 2 points by Team D. To Jack, sa ilalim. 5-2. Rebound by Dais. Take it 3. Adrian, Dais. 8-2. To Nunoy, 2 points by Nunoy. Mark, block by Ward. 8-4 ah. To Miel, 2 points by Miel. 8-6. 8-6. Extra to Mark. Mark taking 2. Wow. Oras, 7 minutes and 33 seconds. To Ime. To Jenson. Running time yan ha. Touch pass to Ime sa ilalim. To Dais. 7 minutes and 18. Mark. Taking 3. Mark Castillo. 2 points. 11-8 in favor of Team D. Yes, 2 points.
Uy!
Ramat D. 2 points. Edge. 11-10. Isa lang, kalamangan ng Team D. Jenson. To Ime. 2 points by Ime, masangkay. Nauna na si Miel.
Ay!
Rebound by Ime. Miel, Ime. 13-10 in favor of Team C. To Rob. Intercepted. Miel na naman, nauna na naman si Miel. Wala. Rebound by Jacqueline. 2 points by Jacqueline. 13-12. Oras, 6 minutes and 13. Pass to Rod sa ilalim. Wow! Labas na po. Running time po. 13-12. Isa lang. In favor of Team D. Dais, making his move. Intercepted by Ego. Ego pa rin. Pass to Jacqueline. Pass to Miel. Nauna na. Miel. Block by Rod. Miel pa rin. To Edge. Tumakoy mo na yung 2 points. Wala. Tumiel, Peggy.
No, wala.
Tunuloy na. 2 points by Nunoy. Change favor. 14-13. 3. Wala. Riba by Nunoy. Last 5 minutes and 24. Jacqueline. Napas to Echo. 2 points by Jericho. Jericho, 2 points. 16-13. To Jenson. Foul. 16-13. Last possession for Grace. Running time yan. 16-13 in favor of Team C. 4 minutes 55. Last possession na yan. Change na. Jenson, wala. Rebound by Echo. Eko, Jay, score. start. 18-13. Lima lang. Labas na po. 18-13. Lamangan Team C. Lubat ang no. Foul. Oras, 4 minutes and 35. 18-13. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Tumiel. Nauna na. Miel.
Ay!
Wala. Miel pa rin. Wala pa rin. Hey. Lampas Tumiel. Turn around. Wala. Rebound by Rod. To Jenson. Jenson. 4 minutes and 15. To Dais. Behind the back. Tumi. Wow. 18-13.
5. 5.
5. Team C. 18-13. Team C. Ime. To Jenson. To Rod sa ilalim. Rod. Rod. Oh, toss coin. Oh, toss coin. Ano, Team C? Kahoy. Bigay. Ano Paulo, bigay?
Toss coin na, toys.
Team D? Heads.
Atenson.
Team D. Heads. 18-13. Lamang 5. Team C. Lakas na. 3 minutes and 57 seconds. 3 minutes and 57 seconds. 3 minutes and 57. 2 points. 18-15. 3 minutes 41.
Score, Benz.
3 minutes 41. 3 minutes 41.
Running time.
Jenson. Mark. Taking 3. All 18. 3 points by 25 seconds. 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Jacqueline. Foul. 3 minutes and 16 seconds. All 18 na. All 18.
Running time yan.
Tumiel. To Jacqueline. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Rod. 2 minutes and 58. All 18 yan ha. All 18. To Dais. Taking 3. 3! Adrian, Dais. 21-18. 21-18. Low. 2 points kay Echo. 20-21. Lamang ang Team D pa rin ng isa. Oras, 2 minutes and 14. Jenson. Intercepted. Nakuha ni Edge. Lumipad. Wala. Rebound by Edge pa rin sa ilalim. Edge pa rin foul. 1 minute and 58 seconds. 21-20. In favor of Team D. Lamang ng isa. Running time yan ha. 1 minute and 49 seconds. 1 minute and 45. To Jack Echo. Making his move. Echo to Miel. 1 minute and 30. To Nunoy. To Echo. To Nunoy. Intercepted by Mark. To Rod. Nauna na. Rod. Wala. 1 minute and 17 seconds. Edge.
Yep.
To Echo. 1 minute and 9 seconds. Isa lang lamang ng Team D. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by. Ano tawag? Kapit ka mo. Toss guard. Kapit daw. Bigay. Isa lang. 21-20, 50. Isa lang. 21-20. Last 50 seconds. Last 50. Pinunoy, taking 2.
Wow.
Pinunoy, makasinag. James Maymore. Last 40 seconds. 22-21. Tunoon, practice by Turon. James Maymore. 23-22. Tumil, foul. Last, 95 seconds. Labas na yan. 23-22. 19 sila, Team C. Ay, Team D. Kayo. Team D, lamang ng isa. Nunay D, wala. Rebound by Kiel. 7 seconds. 5 seconds na lang, 5 seconds. Labas na, 5 seconds na lang. 5 seconds, labas na. Lamang Team D ng isa. Lamang ng isa, Team D. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oy, counted yun.